Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please start your videos, everyone. This is your reasoning period. Please take out your reasoning book.
So we have completed the puzzle test chapter.
Hmm.
So we have to start with a new chapter, coding and decoding.
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir. Coding and decoding.
Open chapter 8, all of you. Open chapter number 8, coding and decoding. Keep your videos on. Everyone, please keep your video on. Only one student has kept the video on. Rest all the two, Shriyansh and Reyansh. 3. Adya Bhatia. What about the rest of you? Adeshika, Advika, Arnav, Avni, Harsh, Hridyansh, Karthik, Mandavya, Krishna, Mehul, Fahad.
Sir, my
Start your video, all of you. Keep your video on. Yes, all of you. Take out this chapter, coding and decoding.
excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, I do not have book. I
Why,
do not
beta?
have book.
Acha. Shriyansh, can you send the photographs of the pages to Jasvi? Just 4 pages are there. Please send the photos. Chapter number 8, coding and decoding.
Sir, I am just sending.
So coding and decoding is the last chapter.
Hmm. Ready, all of you? Have you shared the pages?
Yes, sir.
Shriyansh?
Yes, sir, ready.
Sir, I am sharing. Sir, may I make a PDF?
Yeah,
Now
send
we can
just you
start.
can just send the photos. Okay. We are starting with the chapter. So very easy chapter. I am just telling you the first question. Okay, you will understand it easily. Today is a word, and the coding of the word today. What do you mean by coding? Coding means giving it a secret code. Do you know what is a secret code? Something which is Suppose if I communicate with any one of you, वैसे तो मैं generally I am talking to everyone in a common language. English is a common language. But if suppose me and Reyansh are very good friends, and if I want to communicate with Reyansh in a very secret language, which I don't want anyone else to understand, so what I will do, I will send him a secret code that only he will understand, no one else will understand, right? So that is known as, this process is known as coding. And decoding means, what is the meaning of decoding? Decoding means if he is able to understand
Means
it,
sir,
if he is
sir
able to
means
find out the
like
meaning,
yes sir.
if
Sir
he is
means
able to
if
find out the
you do
meaning
not
of,
tell the meaning. Sir, if
uh,
you don't tell the meaning, but you do action, so he can understand it easily. So it is called decoding.
so decoding means if I send him a particular message, secret message, and he is able to understand it, so he is able to find out the meaning of it. So that process, finding out the meaning of the secret code, is known as decoding. Understood the meaning of the word coding and decoding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So the coding of the word today is done like this. 5,
Sir, I not understand the sir.
nothing, no, don't worry. I will explain you with the help of this question. Okay. So 58034. Suppose this is the word today, and it has been coded like this. Coded like this. Coding. This is the coding of the word today. Now what we have done here, for the letter T, we have written
Yes,
a
sir.
digit 5. So T जो letter है, the digit is 5 for the letter T.
Sir, according to the numbers, we are writing. We are writing the alphabets, and after on above there, in the ABCD, and we have to count the numbers, and then the number what it came, we should write that, and the answer will come.
So, and the code for the word letter O is 8. For letter D, the code is 0. For letter A, the code is 3. For letter Y, the code is 4. And there is another word, monk. Its coding is done like this, monk. The number is 6892. 6892. So you can see that the code of the letter O is still 8. देखो दोनों जगह O का code क्या है? What is the code of O? 8.
Sir,
And here also it
sir,
is 8. Correct? Am I right or
8.
not? The
Yes, sir.
same code is there for the letter O. For the
Eight.
letter M, what is the code? 6. For the letter N, the code is 9. For the letter K, the
9.
code is 2. So can you do with the help of these two? Can you find out
Sir,
the
I
code?
got it, sir. How to do it, sir? I got it.
Very good. Can you do the coding for the word Monday? Find out the code of each of the alphabet, each of the letter from these two words, and make a code for the word Monday.
So can we type answer in chat box?
Yes, of course. Please
Sir,
give your
actually,
answer.
sir, it is already given there. We just have to find it.
Yes. So give your answer in the chat box.
Yes, sir, in today in monk, it is already given.
Yes. So all the code for all the letters is given in these two words. Find out the code from these two words and make the coding for the word Monday and give your answer in the chat box. Shriyansh
Sir, this
and
is
Fahad have
sir.
given.
This is the sir. This is 6th class or 7th class.
This is beta 6th class or 7th class मतलब?
So this is 5th. सर कौन सी क्लास चली सर 6th चली है या फिर 7th?
Sorry, can you tell me the question again?
Sir, he is asking which
So
class is going on,
beta, this is class 5. What happened?
and he is saying 6th and 7th. Sir, I am asking that, sir, which period is going on, sir? 6th
Okay.
period or 7th period?
This is 6th period.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Keep your videos on, everyone. Again, I can see many of you have turned off your video. Adeshika Garv,
answer.
Adeshika Garv, Karthik Krishna,
So the first question that
Fahad.
you have given to us, that is written in our book also.
Sir, you
Okay.
have given it from book only.
We are doing these questions from the book only, beta. First question from the exercise. So I'm making the code of the word Monday. The code for M is 6. The code for
6.
O is 8.
8.
Letter N, the code is 9.
Then 9.
Now DAY 034 is the code for the
034.
letter DAY. So answer is
689.
6890334. 034. This is the answer. Okay. Easy.
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, do some use your brain and do some calculation in your mind. Try to find out the code for the word that is given in question number 2. Okay. The same pattern will not be there in all the questions. You have to find out the pattern, what is there in the questions, and then find out the code. Okay.
Sir, I have not understand this.
Mehul, not able to understand? Who has not understood?
Sir, Mehul.
Beta, who has not understood?
Sir, Mehul.
Is it Mehul?
Yes, sir.
Which question? Question 1 or 2?
Sir, question one.
1 only? Mehul, look at this. What is the number code of the word today? What is the number code given? 58034. This is the number code of the word today. Write down the code for the word monk also. What is the number code given in the book? Mehul?
6892.
the answer of the second one.
6892. So that means the code for each letter we know now. Okay, we know the code for each letter. The code for
So
the
what
word
is of that?
for the letter T is
So what is of Z?
Z. Beta, we cannot
Yes.
write the code like this if the letter is not given in these options. Okay. In these words, if the letter is not there, we cannot make a code like this. Okay. Otherwise, if there is some other type of coding, then we can do it. For this type of coding, we cannot find the code of letter Z.
Sir, I
Okay.
have given one day in a class of White Heart Junior. They tell me to how to do that, sir, coding, decoding. But sir, I didn't get anything. So
Don't
I
worry.
am in my mind.
Don't worry, beta. I will explain you everything.
I am sending the answer of 9th one.
Mehul, now look at this. 9th one.
Sir, we have did only second and they are doing 9.
9th.
Give the answer of only the second part. Everyone. Do the second question and give the answer. Mehul, look at this. Now the code for Monday. Look
Sir,
at
I have
this.
sent the answer.
Look at the two words, Mehul, and tell me which letter. Sorry, what is the code for the letter M?
6,
6, correct. What is the code for letter O?
8,
8. Code for letter N?
9,
9, correct. What is the code for letter
9.
D? 0. It is 0. Okay. What is the code for letter A?
3,
3. For Y?
4.
4. Okay, so this is the answer. Understood?
Sir, I am unable to do the second one.
Don't worry, beta. I will explain. Don't worry. So second one, I am giving you a trick for the second one. The word is distance. The code for the word distance is given. Then what is the code for the word numerals? Do you know what is the code of the word distance given in the question? It is given ECNATSID. Do you know what they have done? They have written the word in opposite order,
Yes, sir.
and
In the
they
opposite
Yes,
order.
sir.
and then they
Sir,
have
we have
made the
to write
code.
numerals also in
So
opposite
what is
order.
this? This is only the
Distance.
they have how they have made the
They've
code of
written
the word distance by
ECN
writing the word in opposite order.
Sir,
Okay.
in the second question, the answer is option.
So letter D was coming at the first position, it is coming at the last position.
Last.
I was second, now it is second last. S was third, so it is third last, and so on. Okay. E was coming at the last position, now E is coming at the first position. So this is how the coding is done. Now you find the code for the word numerals.
Sir, we have shared the answer.
SLAREMUN. So
Option C.
you all have given the answers. Very good. Very good. Correct, correct, correct. Many of you have given the correct answer. So this is option
C.
option D, not C. It is option D. Look at the options
Sir,
very, very
option
carefully.
D.
This is option D, not C. Look at the options very carefully. Okay, you can get confused by seeing the options. So be very careful with the options. Okay. Start doing question C, all of you, and keep your videos on. I can see still many videos are off. I will mark you absent if your video is off now. Give the answer in the chat box. Question number 3. Read the question, try to decode it. Yes, all of you done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, there are 3 type of code, sir: boring code, salt mine code, and reducative code.
Hmm. What is this?
Sir,
From where you have searched it?
sir, not sir. One day my tuition teacher told me.
Acha.
Sir, other type of codes, sir, not this decoding codes.
Okay. Okay, you mean to say that that type of coding, programming.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so all of you, answer of the third question, everyone together. What is the answer?
Sir, the answer third question is C shape.
Sir, C shape.
C, ship. If air is called water, water is called stone, stone is called tree, tree is called ship, then ship is called boat, and boat is called car. Then what do birds,
Car is called sir
then
bike.
where do birds
Bike
live?
is called cycle. Cycle will call.
Sir, shape.
Birds live on the tree. And what is tree called? Tree is called ship. So answer is ship. Very good. Where do birds live? We all know that
Sir,
birds live on
That tree.
tree.
Sir, ship.
So and
Sir,
what is the code for tree? The code for tree is ship. It
Sir,
is given in
shape.
the question. So answer is
ship.
option
That
C,
ship.
ship. Very good question. Do the next one. Fourth one. Garima is coded as this. Reena is coded as this. What is the code for Rima? Similar to question number 1. Am I right or
Sir,
not?
I have sent the answer.
Sir, I have sent it my answer.
Sir, I have also sent in my answer.
Okay, all of you ready? Please, everyone, few of you have not given the answer in the chat box. Give it quickly. The code for Garima. What is the code given for Garima?
Sir, B47763.
No, code for Garima is 234563. This is the code. 234563 is the code for Garima. Okay. And the code for the word Reena
Sir,
is given
47713.
47713. Now you have to find the code for the word
Sir,
Rima.
the answer will be B. 47763.
So very easy. 4, you can see that the code for R is 4, code for E is 7, 7. What is the code for the letter M? The letter M
Sir,
code is
Six, sir.
6,
Sir,
and the
six.
code for letter
it
A
will
is
be 3.
3. 47763 is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This
Yes,
is
sir.
option number B. Correct. Very good. All of you given the correct answer. Next one. Give the answer of the fifth question in the chat box. Very easy. Quickly. Absolutely right, all of you. Option D. Very good. D option is the right answer for question number 5. Question 6. Question 5. Do I need to explain question 5, all of you?
No, sir.
No? Do question 6 so? Start doing it. Give the answer in the chat box.
Sir, I have done this. Sir, I have done the sixth one.
Very good. Give the
Sir.
answer.
Sir, I can't understand the
Sir,
eighth
I
one.
am also in the sixth one.
No problem, beta. I will explain. Everyone give the answer of sixth one. Write down the question number also. Because I'm getting confused. There are so many answers in the chat box. Please write down the
Right.
question number and give the answer again in the chat box.
I can't understand the eighth one.
Mehul, I will explain. Wait for some time.
Okay, sir.
Answer of sixth one, everyone.
Sir,
The
option
share.
A.
In a certain code, the word watch is coded as HCTAW.
So it's the
So
opposite.
again, the same type of coding that was there in question number 5. So yes,
That
you
is
all are right. The answer is
option A.
option A, correct.
Rin
Very good. Seventh one. Question 7. In a certain code, 24685 is written as 35796. Now the coding is done. Coding is done for a number. Okay.
So can you
It
explain
is,
it?
yes, sure. Question number 7. In question 7, the coding is done for a number. The number is given
24685.
24685, and the code for this word, sorry, this number is given
So you have written
35796.
4
It is 5. And the code is given 35796. 35796. So the coding is very easy. We are just writing the
Yes,
next
yes.
digit.
Now I understand.
Next digit. Okay.
So the
Yes,
next
sir, we have
digit
to
of
write
all
it
the
right next digit of each.
Yes, correct.
Sir,
So
I
what
have
will be
sent the
the
answer.
code for 35741? Will be
B,
46852.
46852.
Four. So 4685.
Start doing question number 8. Question
Sir, I
8.
don't know only that one. Sir, I
Okay, no
need a
problem. I am
mic here.
explaining it. If America is called England, England is called Pakistan, Pakistan is called India, India is called Yemen, and Yemen is called Fiji. Then
this
Islamabad is the capital of which country? Do you know
Sir,
that
Pakistan.
in
And sir,
actual?
Pakistan.
and Pakistan is
India.
equal to India.
And India.
So answer is India.
Sir,
Islamabad
we have capital.
in actual the capital of Islamabad is Pakistan. Sorry, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan in actual. So in the according to the question, we have to call Pakistan as India. Okay. So your answer will be India. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Next one. Question number 9.
So it's the opposite.
Sir, just I'm sending the answer of 10th.
Question 9 is very easy. 10th one. Everyone start doing the 10th question. 9th, we have done many questions, so like question number 9. So do the 10th one, all of you. Give the answer of 10th question in the chat box.
Sir, I send the answer of 10th.